Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to MFNs on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Mr. Timberland Kikok.
Sithibo khamba njani athi?
Mnandi njalo.
Mnandi athi iphule fast Sithibo kusebusuku mfana yokusebusuku yomfana asilali. Sibuya ngala next door nyalo sila.
Yeah.
Now mara ngicala ngokcongratulate iPirates yabo. They played very well team yami Thibo. Ngiyathandza le team leya. Jose made me love Pirates so much.
Yes.
You know, I'm asking myself because mukhamba Jose kongena bani.
Hey ndoda.
You know, but asikho lapho Thibo coming to le game Chiefs Thibo. Both teams abadlala eGrain Thibo. Khuluma iTS Galaxy ne Chiefs. Especially Chiefs first half. For me they played very well Thibo. They played according to their strength. You know, I wanted to see the Chiefs play the first half to come in second half. You know? But khuluma ngayo the likes of Serena going Golanzi Ibola different defender milangene phakathi ayikokora futhi it was a bit difficult for yena but udlala eGrain Serubo Thibo. Coming to TS Galaxy Thibo. Both teams, as I said, the tension was very high. The game, you know. TS Galaxy average players is team. Agna player list superstar, you know. They just played their simple football, you know. I wanna say, I don't wanna criticize players, you know. But besides Userino, most of them Kaizer Chiefs players, they're not comfortable, Steve. They're not, Steve. Give the youngsters a chance, Steve. Those guys, they are comfortable. Because they can see and they wanna prove now because they can play, you know. So I just want to see Labafana badlala game by 30 games because I think Chiefs even have a chance this too, but you know. For me it looks like a training but badlala find the ball akunama post. They can't even like go head on my ball. For me ngicabanga badlala that thing is like I'm a chance about to move about 30 first half for me. Coming to TS Galaxy second half. Bayenza into simple Steve. Asibadlali ngabalong ball abakhona ukuheada labantu.
Simple.
Ungacheck TS Galaxy midlala ngamalong ball. Thole amagoli amani igoli abingena ngani ngelong ball. And nakhona ingena ngemistake yaDove.
Yes.
Not comfortable now Dove.
Yes.
For me na wangafaka uFrost. Who is Frost?
Symbol.
Over uDove. You understand? Like nama player maning lawa Steve lapha Chiefs ukuthi abadlali Steve. You know, they don't take this team serious and understand for me akusahlekisi Steve is very difficult and kubhlungu Steve because amajita bayathanda iChiefs. Khuluma ngawo ama fans yabo. Like they come and support the team but kugenzeka necile nothing Steve, you know. But like looking on TS Galaxy side bayenza ba simple by pressure Chiefs and futhi nakhona bakayipress to attack by pressure ukuthi asibayenzeni bayenza amaphutha la emidlile sikole ke ball sidlale high ball Toli dropping very deep Toli drop deep and phela uDoli eka emuva uliminateile kunomuntu one lo ale emuva akakora iChiefs ngumele yenzini ibafaka abo Blom the likes of abo Blom ibafaka the likes of Abu Vilakazi abo Shabalala by press TS Galaxy to for bona ukuthi bakore Steve because first half they played very well Steve, you know. As ngisakhuluma nga TS Galaxy Steve. Before ngena ku TS Galaxy number 8 to number 16 Steve ba fight relegation bonke.
Is it that close?
Steve phela ichipa I mean Chiefs is cheaper how many points? I think 3 or not, or if not 3-6. But what I'm trying to say is Steve, in a game in hand it's cheaper. You know. And the team is a move with cheaper and game in hand. So what's gonna happen with Chiefs if I can win ama games? And especially for me Peter Mkava I call it the home ground Chiefs. You know. And the supporters was looking pushy Chiefs, but nothing is happening still. And for me, it's very difficult this team. Very difficult for Coach Nabi. My question is, going Zegalan, Ksasa, tomorrow, the next game, what's your game plan? You know, what are you gonna do? What are you telling the boys in Because my fans, they're losing hope, see. they're losing hope, and it's very difficult this team ukubona ama-fans abanye bakhala, you know, akukho mnandi this team. But otherwise this team, thank you for igame yavandag, and congratulations Pirates, ichubeka kanjena inyenzile kwesinye ithanda this team.
Danko.
Sharp team.
Yes, sir.